Hey guys, today I'm here at MOS Burger, which is one of the most popular burger chains in all of Japan. Its main competition is probably McDonald's, but it has a lot of unique Japanese burgers. So today I'm gonna go inside this MOS Burger and show you guys what kind of burgers do burger chains have in Japan. There's Kit sitting down, already ordered. So let me show you guys the menu they have here, and this menu's in Japanese, so I'm gonna have Kit tell you guys what kind of unique burgers there are here. What do we got?
I think with MOS Burger, one of the things that's unique is that they have tomato sauce instead of like ketchup. So it's like, it's got like this bolognese sauce.
It's a ball sauce, you said?
It's a bolognese sauce. I don't know how to pronounce it.
What are you trying to say?
Stuff. I'm trying to say stuff. But it's like a meat sauce. It's like a meat tomato sauce, like you would find on your spaghetti, except it's on your burger.
So one of the unique things they have here, straight from the horse's mouth.
Are you calling me a horse?
Apparently I am.
How about the one with the long face?
Oh, damn. Anyway, they got a ball sauce. What else do they have? What are some other unique burgers here?
Well, it used to be unique, but not anymore because McDonald's has it, but they're rice burgers. So the bun is made out of rice instead of bread.
Oh, okay.
So this is by far my favorite one.
Actually, you guys will get to see that because Kit and I both ordered one.
Also, their MOS chicken is delicious. In fact, my mom and I like it more than Muteki.
Damn. So this is what we got today, and this is what you guys will get to see. Of course, that would be the MOS chicken. You also get to see the yakiniku rice burger, what we were talking about, the rice patty. And I also ordered the teriyaki burger. Basically just a hamburger, but teriyaki sauce, which McDonald's also has a teriyaki burger here. All right, guys. So they give it to you in this little pocket thing, so you don't have to get your hands dirty. You could just hold it like this. And see the burger, it's made out of rice. How are those onion rings?
I actually really love their onion rings.
Awesome. Here's my other burger, guys. Tons of lettuce. This is a teriyaki burger. Okay, Kit's having me try the chicken. Spices on it are really good.
You can show the chicken. It's not really oily. It's not even that oily.
Looks like a chicken leg. You know what I notice? These burgers actually look really presentable. They don't look all smashed like you get at McDonald's in America. I'm not used to these paper things to make you eat cleaner. I'm just a messy eater. All right, yakiniku rice burger. Chewy. You know, I really like it. What do you think of it?
I've always liked it.
What does it taste like?
I don't know.
Next burger, teriyaki burger. This one's good.
Is it better than McDonald's?
There's so much lettuce. It's like really fresh tasting. And the burger tastes like teriyaki. That was it. Look at, we finished everything.
Well, no, we still got fries.
Oh, a little bit of fries left.
Ketchup.
Yeah, one thing about MOS Burger, I think, is
This is a bad side.
one thing about MOS Burger is I think you have to get 2 burgers.
Really? I'm really
At least for me, because I could still eat, and I have 2 burgers. I think every time I come here, I'm still hungry if I just get one.
Okay, well, thank you
Maybe
guys
we'll
for
get
tuning in. Close to get ear broad.
No. So guys, it got dark really fast. It's nighttime now. Just finished up with MOS Burger, and if you guys are in Japan and you're feeling like trying Japan's, I don't know why I said that way, Japan's #1 fast food burger, check out a MOS Burger because they're really good. Thanks so much, guys. You know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video if you liked it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stuttering today.